Is QIDI Technology Single Extruder 3D Printer. If you want to create some fun and unique cookie cutters, then the QIDI Technology X-one2 3D printer is the way to go. This printer is perfect for families and schools with its easy-to-use 3.5-inch touchscreen and intuitive icons. You don't need special technical skills to operate this printer, and it's as simple as hitting the print button to get started. One of the best features of this printer is its single extruder design, which significantly reduces the risk of extruder clogs. This means you can print confidently without worrying about any potential hiccups in the printing process. The printer's metal frame and heated bed make it compatible with various filaments, including ABS, PLA, and TPU. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just looking to add fun to your kitchen, the QIDI Technology X-one2 3D printer is an excellent investment for creating unique cookie cutters. It's easy to use, reliable, and can help you bring your creative cookie ideas to life. So why not try it and see what delicious designs you can create? If you are interested in the Single Extruder 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.